on, everybody? What's happening? Here with South Structures, RGB Contractors, Brownsville, Texas. If you're following the channel, you've probably seen the videos for today, the rundown, what we have. Picked up the guys and made our way to United Steel Shop this morning. Was able to get all the necessary things we needed for these adjustments out here in Brownsville, Texas. So as you can see, we got Moses finishing up the last little bit of bridge welding he has to do. My dad's finishing up anything, a little bit of priming, anything that we arced off of, and also those galvanized pipes right there, square tubing, excuse me. All right, so here shortly, you stick with me. I'm gonna show you what we got going on, kind of explain the little adjustments that we did there. All right, guys, so here the gates, man. So you can see we spliced the 3-inch tube, square tubing, 3-inch square tubing to get a 10-foot opening in there, and about maybe 14 inches over. That's the finished product.